Replacing an exterior door is one of the most impactful upgrades a homeowner can make. A new door improves security, comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, even the highest quality replacement door won't deliver long-term benefits if it isn't installed correctly. Professional installation plays a crucial role in ensuring replacement doors perform reliably for years to come. For homeowners, understanding why proper installation matters helps protect their investment and avoid costly issues down the road. A precise fit prevents future problems. One of the most important aspects of door installation is accuracy. Homes settle over time, and door openings are often no longer perfectly square. Professional installers take detailed measurements and make adjustments to ensure the replacement door fits correctly. This precise fit prevents gaps that could lead to drafts, moisture intrusion, and uneven pressure on hinges and frames, common causes of premature wear. Proper sealing protects against the elements. Doors are a primary barrier between your home and the outdoors. If sealing is done incorrectly, water, air, and debris can enter around the door frame. Professional installation includes proper weather stripping, insulation, and exterior sealing. This protects the door and surrounding structure from moisture damage, warping, and rot, key factors in extending the life of replacement doors. Structural support ensures door stability. A door relies on its frame for support. If the frame is weak or misaligned, even a sturdy door can fail over time. Experienced installers inspect the door opening and reinforce the frame as needed. This added stability ensures the door opens and closes smoothly and maintains its structural integrity long after installation. Correct alignment improves daily performance. Doors that are not aligned correctly may stick, scrape, or fail to latch properly. These issues place unnecessary stress on hinges, locks, and frames. Professional installation ensures the door is level, square, and aligned correctly. This allows for smooth operation, reduces wear on components, and helps maintain proper sealing over time. Enhancing energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is closely tied to how well a door is installed. Poor installation can result in air leaks that allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. Proper installation minimizes air leakage, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Over time, this reduces strain on heating and cooling systems and supports long-term door performance. Preventing moisture-related damage. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to replacement doors, especially in areas exposed to rain, humidity, or snow. Professional installers use moisture-resistant techniques to protect both the door and the surrounding structure. This helps prevent swelling, warping, and deterioration that can shorten a door's lifespan. Maintaining security features. Modern replacement doors often include advanced locking systems and reinforced components. These features only perform as intended when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures locks, strike plates, and hinges are positioned and secured properly. This not only improves security but also reduces mechanical stress that can wear out components prematurely. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Most door manufacturers require professional installation for warranties to remain valid. Improper installation can void coverage, leaving homeowners responsible for repairs or replacements. By choosing professional installation, homeowners protect their warranty and gain peace of mind knowing their investment is safeguarded. Reducing the need for repairs and adjustments. Many early door problems stem from installation errors rather than product defects. Gaps, sticking, and misalignment often require frequent adjustments if installation is rushed or done improperly. Professional installation reduces the likelihood of these issues, allowing replacement doors to perform reliably with minimal maintenance. A smart investment in long-term performance. Professional installation is not just an added service, it's a critical part of ensuring replacement doors last. From precise fitting and sealing to structural support and alignment, expert installation protects your investment and delivers consistent performance. For homeowners seeking long-lasting replacement doors, professional installation is the key to durability, comfort, and peace of mind.